sharing with you our day 1 in Japan. Pumunta kami sa Akihabara para maghanap ng second-hand iPhones. First stop, pumunta kami ng Softmap Akiba. By the way, kahit pre-love ang iPhones nila, mukhang bagong-bago pa rin. Sobrang alaga. There are also units with scratches, but of course, they more affordable. To understand this, here's the ranking system para ma-differentiate mo kung gaano na sila katagal ginamit. Rank S is brand new. Rank A, almost new. Rank B, minor scratches. And rank C, obvious na gamit. Pero syempre, mas mura. May nakita rin kaming laptops na i7, pero around 15 to 20k pesos lang. Meron ding mga murang laptops. Dito yan sa Tokyo PC. If you want full details, check out our blog on YouTube. Kumain din kami sa Hakata Poryo. Grabe, super creamy yung ramen. Highly recommended. You can really tell they've mastered the recipe. Disclaimer lang ha, kung mahina ka kumain tulad namin, baka di mo to maubos. Syempre, di kumpleto ang Akihabara kung walang anime stores. As an anime fan, sabi nga nila, heaven to para sa atin. Nandito yung Habikoro Toys. Kung hanap mo yung gacha na pwede kang pumili, dito ka na. Sa loob to ng building ng Radio Kaikan. So kung mahilig ka sa anime at gadgets, Akihabara is a must visit place. Yun lang. Follow for more.